Would you like to enjoy an amazing golf experience along with an unforgettable hotel stay all in one place? Located in the Kandy district, about 24 kilometers from the Kandy city, the Victoria Golf Resort can be reached by heading towards Getaway and then turning right. From there, it's approximately a 7-kilometer scenic drive to the resort. Spread across over 500 acres, Victoria Golf Resort is a destination in itself. The property includes an award-winning 18-hole golf course and more exciting activities. From the main gate, you will need to travel about another kilometer along a winding road that gracefully curves around the scenic golf course before arriving at the reception. The resort offers a spacious and convenient car park, making arrival smooth and hassle-free. As we arrived, we were greeted by the calm breeze and a warm smile from the staff. The check-in was smooth, and right away, we could feel the peaceful atmosphere that surrounds this place. There is a variety of activities that you can do in the resort: playing badminton, tennis, table tennis, cycling, horse riding and kayaking in the Victoria Reservoir, and exclusively having some golf lessons are some of them. You can arrange few hikes and waterfall expeditions on request as well. Next, we arrived at our villa, the beautiful Sunrise Ridge Villa, located just a few meters from the reception. One of the best parts is that you can drive right up to it, make it super convenient to unload your luggage and settle in with ease. Let's step inside the villa, where a lovely balcony awaits you, offering peaceful views of nature, gentle bird songs, and a stunning sight of the golf course. The room is equipped with all the essentials: air conditioning, a comfortable double bed, a TV, a cozy mini sofa, and a coffee making facilities. The bathroom is spotless and includes all necessary amenities, including hot water for your comfort. Let's head downstairs. Here you will find a cozy living room with a TV and sofa set, along with a compact kitchen and a dining table, perfect for relaxing and enjoying meals. You also have direct access to the garden, perfect for enjoying the peaceful surroundings. Later, we headed to the swimming pool to relax and unwind. Beside the pool, there's a badminton court, a tennis court, and facilities for the table tennis as well. So we decided to play a bit of badminton before heading to the swimming pool. The small pool has water jets for a relaxing experience. The view from the infinity pool is simply stunning. After the pool, a stunning peacock crossed our path as we returned to the room. Victoria Golf Resort features a well-stocked store where you can find everything you need for golf. From clubs and balls to hats, caps, clothing and shoes. Next to the store is a minibar, perfect for enjoying a drink with stunning golf course views. There was a buffet dinner with a wide variety of dishes, and we truly enjoyed our meal there. This was the view we woke up to, sunlight glittering through the branches of a towering tree. Truly an amazing sight to start the day. Now let's head over to breakfast. In the morning, we watched some players warming up with their golf swings. Let's head to breakfast, which was a buffet offering a wide variety of delicious options. Enjoying breakfast with the stunning view of the golf course was truly unforgettable. The lush green lawn is so captivating, you simply can't take your eyes off it. Walking on the soft green lawn feels incredibly refreshing and peaceful, connecting you with nature's beauty. Then we tried playing golf. An exciting and eye-opening experience for both of us. It was tougher than we expected, especially under the bright sun and without the right gear. Still, it turned out to be a memorable and enjoyable time. The entire year is filled with golf championships and tournaments, and you can see the names of the champions proudly displayed on the wall. In the distance, you can see the beautiful Victoria Reservoir. Let's explore the rest of the resort. Since it spans 500 acres, we'll need to travel by car to see it all. We were treated to beautiful landscapes from every angle. Alongside the road, there was a peaceful little lake adding to the scenic beauty. As we traveled deeper inside, we spotted many more villas nestled in various charming spots around the resort. In the distance, you can catch a glimpse of the majestic Victoria Dam. We found this beautiful spot perfect for a few photos. It's also where the mini pier is located, the landing point for seaplanes. Now it's time for us to say goodbye to this amazing resort. Victoria Golf Resort left us with unforgettable memories, a perfect blend of luxury, nature and tranquility. Until next time, keep exploring. If you enjoyed this journey with us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel adventures, breathtaking destinations and unforgettable experiences coming your way.